Thank you for joining our launch of the new Roy Morgan WorkSpace. Roy Morgan WorkSpace is our new AI-powered, cloud-based platform that will transform the way our clients use data to solve everyday business challenges. Featuring automated workflows, it leverages decades of consumer research and sophisticated analytical frameworks to deliver cutting-edge solutions. Over the past year, we've conducted in-depth interviews with a diverse range of our clients to gain deeper insights into their needs. These conversations inspired the creation of WorkSpace. Our clients have a strong desire for answers rather than just data and crosstabs. And while we're also embarking on a significant upgrade to our desktop software Asteroid, we see WorkSpace as ultimately replacing Asteroid for most clients. Today, our clients need to do more with less. There are more demands, more data, more deliverables being managed by teams with less people, with less time, and often less experience. And while there are still power users who enjoy exploring data, most typically only need answers and are seeking automation of everyday tasks and better ways to collaborate. What do they use data for? Well, things like shaping strategy, identifying and profiling target audiences, channel planning, and creating marketing campaigns. Roy Morgan WorkSpace is designed to support all of these tasks plus more. Today, I'm going to show you our first WorkSpace application, or engine as we call them, where we've automated the creation of compelling copy for digital ads, EDMs, and landing pages. Unlike other AI tools in the market, WorkSpace isn't just another prettied-up ChatGPT, not by a long shot. Writing copy is challenging because it requires balancing clarity, engagement, and the intended message. Copywriters must deeply understand their audience to resonate with them while adhering to brand voice and style. Our new copy engine ensures that your messaging is relevant and resonates, and is therefore more likely to change behaviour and drive engagement. Now, to set the scene, how do our clients currently create a Facebook ad? As you can see, this can be a complex process requiring a deep understanding of the market, customers, and communication techniques, along with the right resources, data, and time needed to address these issues. Tasks such as selecting appropriate visuals is time-consuming and requires a specific skill set. Identifying and understanding the target audience is complex. Where do you get the data from? If it's your own customer data, is there sufficient information to understand who your customers are and what motivates them? How do you segment your audience for micro-targeting? What tools and frameworks do you use? Using our new copy engine, WorkSpace streamlines this process, generating digital ads, EDMs, and landing page copy in just a few steps. It enables anyone to be a copywriter and makes the whole process scalable and the copy more persuasive for your audience. Our copy engine delivers high-quality, tailored outputs, including a fully segmented audience, multiple copy variations, image and targeting recommendations in just a few clicks. So tasks that once took days can now be completed in minutes, enhancing productivity and campaign effectiveness. And behind the scenes, WorkSpace is an exceptionally smart platform based on real data from real people, together with proven and trusted frameworks for understanding consumer choice by leading psychologists and sociologists such as Carl Jung's 8 personality types, Erik Erikson's stages of psychosocial development, Robert Miller's life choice models, Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs, Colin Benjamin's value segments, Benjamin Bloom's taxonomies, plus others. WorkSpace delivers an automated process to identify emotionally similar people and organise them into audience segments in line with your communication objectives. WorkSpace is also modular, so new solutions can be added in the future, and I'll talk about this more a little later. And why does this all matter? Well, today's media strategies centre on targeted, authentic engagement rather than generic messages. As mass media's influence declines and micro-targeted, emotionally resonant content rises. I know you'll all be eager to see WorkSpace and our copy engine. So in this demonstration, imagine you need to write a Facebook ad for the Tesla Model Y. I'm going to show you that it only takes 3 quick and easy steps to complete this task. Step 1 is to create your target audience. This can be achieved in a number of ways. You can search over 100,000 ready-made consumer profiles using Roy Morgan single source, upload first-party data, or use Helix personas. In this example, I'm going to undertake a simple word search using Roy Morgan single source. I will show you the first-party data and Helix personas options a little later. Instantly, you can see that there are 583,000 people interested in buying an electric vehicle. We select this audience and click Add. Now the magic begins. WorkSpace automatically identifies emotionally similar people and organises the 583,000 electric vehicle intenders instantly into 4 segments. Each segment is automatically given a unique name and description and saved for sharing with members of your team or for future use. The segment names and descriptions are specific to this audience and created dynamically. They are not pre-cooked. The first segment, Urban Elite, make up 33% of the audience, while family-centric settlers are 29%, ambitious achievers 24%, and cautious homebodies 14%. Let us have a closer look at the Urban Elite and cautious homebody segments. Using the automated description, we can see that urban elites are socially aware, confident achievers who are looking for high-quality experiences. Many are early adopters and are driven by ambition and the desire to make a positive impact. Compare this with the cautious homebodies. They are cautious, family-focused, worried about the cost of living. They value security and stability and are driven by simplicity. So you can quickly see that within our electric vehicle audience, we have very distinct types of buyers. Already it isn't hard to imagine the kind of copy that would resonate. The content, tone and style would be very different for each segment. Now we've selected and segmented our audience, let us move on to the next step. Firstly, we need to add some information about the brand, Tesla. The account screen enables us to add the company name, overview, tone of voice and logo. Now we add information about the specific product, in this case the Model Y. Here we select the product category, description and unique value proposition. All these ingredients, the audience, the brand and the product, are used when creating the final copy. And the important thing is that these objects are saved in the system and can be shared or reused for future use. Let us move on to the third and final step. Next, we set up the project for the ad campaign, giving it a name and description, adding specific campaign tone of voice, goals, etc. And now all our ingredients are prepared, we bring them all together by selecting the product and audience. Here we can select the total audience or a specific segment. The campaign funnel stage. Here we've chosen top of the funnel. The platforms we wish to produce ads for. Any keywords, the moment or the theme, for example, the birth of a child or buying your first home, and any geographical preferences. And instantly the ads are created. How easy is that? Here we've created the Facebook ad for the Urban Elite segment for the Model Y for a top-of-the-funnel campaign. The ad is displayed with a number of versions to choose from. Let's read the text. Discover the ultimate SUV experience with Tesla's Model Y. Engineered with advanced technology and designed for sustainability, it brings unmatched comfort and practicality. Whether you're in the city or on the open road, experience the perfect blend of innovation and performance. Witness how the Model Y's impressive range and autopilot features can transform your drive. Explore a vehicle that continuously improves with over-the-air updates. Discover Model Y today. Remember, this copy is aimed at the urban elites where quality, prestige and innovation matter. While we appreciate most brands have their own image library, our copy engine provides a set of image recommendations for each audience segment. Here we can see 5 recommendations for the Urban Elite campaign. Images that reflect urban elegance, eco-adventure, family comfort, charging made easy, and innovation in motion. The copy engine also automatically matches the selected audience segment, in this case the Urban Elite, with the targeting categories offered on the various digital platforms. Here we provide a ranked list of postcodes based on the concentration of the Urban Elite in each postcode, and recommendations as to which platform targeting categories to select. For example, interests such as restaurants, books, movies, exercise and fashion. This now means that you can target ads for the Urban Elite on Facebook, Google and Bing without having to try and guess what to say and who to target. Usually digital ads have a link to a landing page. The great news is that our copy engine automatically creates landing pages and EDM copy for these same audience segments. In this example, we can select the product, the audience or audience segment, how many text blocks or versions, and how much text we want in each block to create our landing page copy. A template of the landing page for the Urban Elite is instantly created along with image recommendations and copy variation options. Let's read the first block. Leading the electric revolution. Discover the Tesla Model Y, an electric SUV that blends cutting-edge technology with unparalleled performance. With its impressive range and Tesla's autopilot system, it offers a seamless driving experience. Over-the-air updates ensure the Model Y evolves with you, continuously improving efficiency and convenience. Revel in the spacious interior designed for comfort and style, backed by Tesla's renowned supercharger network for easy charging. Next, I'd like to explore in more detail some of WorkSpace's key features that we've touched on in creating our Model Y copy. WorkSpace is a collaborative platform designed to be used by agencies or brands. The account screen ensures work is organised under the relevant account and that team members can be assigned to these accounts. Next, these accounts are associated with projects, products and audiences that can all be saved and shared. So, for example, a product or audience can be used by many projects. This increases productivity and ensures that the same definitions or criteria is used by all team members. A principal component of WorkSpace, and what makes it very different to the many ChatGPT-driven tools out there, is the ability to create audiences using real data. Often clients will have their own data or are running the Roy Morgan Pixel on their website and want to use this to create an audience. WorkSpace is very flexible and enables you to leverage the 100,000 plus ready-made consumer profiles using Roy Morgan single source, upload first-party data, or use Helix personas. We saw earlier an example of how easy it is to word search Roy Morgan single source. Now, here on the left is an example of using first-party data where we uploaded our field interviewer details so we could profile them and run a digital campaign to recruit more. Not surprisingly, our field staff cover all areas of the country, are both young and old, progressive and conservative. Armed with this knowledge, WorkSpace segments them and creates job ads that truly resonate. In the second example, we've used a Helix Persona pixel profile of people who have visited specific pages on a tourism website. Again, there are significant differences in the visitor profiles, so the ads can be tailored to reflect this. We believe the ability to load first-party data is a game changer, as WorkSpace unlocks the value of your own customer data in a truly unique and powerful way. Although WorkSpace is just launching, I'd like to share with you some early results. Firstly, we took a Facebook ad written by an agency partner that was being used in market for one of their clients. Next, we created 4 ads, one for each audience segment. We then undertook a side-by-side test to see which ad the audience preferred. The result? 75% preferred the ad written by our copy engine. Next, we conducted an EDM A/B test with one of our agency partners, where half the recipients received an EDM written by the agency's creative team and the other half an EDM written by our copy engine. The result? WorkSpace's EDM open rate was 1.4 times higher and click-through rate 2.4 times greater than the agency EDM. We hope to get many more case studies now that we've launched. Today, we're focused on WorkSpace's first application, our copy engine. So what's next? The foundation elements of accounts, teams, products, projects, and audience creation is in place, as is our copy engine. However, this is only the beginning. We're already working on our next 2 engines, a channel planning tool that will recommend the media spend allocation across media channels for your target audience, as well as an audience profiling engine. Our WorkSpace roadmap also includes the launch of an online cross-tabulation tool as a replacement for Asteroid, a simple-to-use geospatial mapping engine, and a forecasting and market share engine. As the platform is modular, we will add more engines as we receive user feedback and the platform evolves. So as you can see, WorkSpace is easy to use and designed with the end outcome in mind. It will provide solutions for all users, irrespective of their level of skill. If you'd like to learn more about Roy Morgan WorkSpace, please contact your account manager or email live@roymorgan.com to arrange a presentation. Thank you.